Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we'll be making Yemeni Mendi. The ingredients are written in the video and in the description below. Marinate the chicken with the spices and the salt and let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Soak the saffron in the water. Add the oil, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, cardamom, and cloves into a heated pan. Stir for a bit before adding the garlic and cold water. Add the rice, salt, cumin, black pepper, and the spice and water mixture onto an oven-safe dish. Then place the rack on top of the rice. Mix 2 tablespoons of oil, half the amount of saffron and turmeric together and brush the chicken with it. Add the jalapenos and peppers to the rice if you want. Cover the mendi with aluminum foil and place it on a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. After 1 hour has passed, take the mendi out of the oven and place the chicken back to the oven so it can be golden on the outside. Pour the rest of the saffron onto the rice and place the rice back to the oven to cook for 5 more minutes. To get the barbecue flavor, take an onion and place a lit charcoal on top. To get the smoke out, add 2 drops of oil onto the charcoal and immediately cover the dish to retain the smoke. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.